Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And tonight's video we are going to be turning a winged bowl from a piece of wood that is just over 17 inches square. It's laminated walnut, and this piece was given to me by our good friend Huey Lionsheart. He brought a few of these pieces to Harrogate, and I thought, you know what, let's give it a whirl this weekend. And so I started the lathe off, and to be honest, I got some nice speed out of it. It was quite balanced. Obviously, there's wings on there, and there's a lot of airflow. And we're using the Easy Woods full-size finisher. And as you've just seen, there are some nice ribbons coming off of this. So slowly just working on those wing edges, obviously trying not to push too hard and getting a nice even cut. So now just shaping the bottom of where the bowl is. Those wings are almost finished, not quite. There's still a little bit more detailing to do on there, just to get them to the final shape. But I just wanted to now define where the bottom of the bowl is and start that. But as you can see there, look at those ribbons just sticking to me. For a laminated piece of wood, this was really nice to turn. Didn't really run into any issues. Even the sanding was really good. Oh, had to quite look there because nearly hit the wing. And here's the Easy Woods mid-size detailer, just making a start on that mortise, and switched over to the Easy Woods mid-size rougher. And back to the detailer, just making sure that dovetail is correct on that mortise, and putting the 3 lines in there. And now sanding with Cling Sport abrasives, and I do sand on this one from 80 grit, and I sand up to 400 because I'm not that brave, and I'm not going to be using Yorkshire grit on this one, I'm afraid. As you can see there, that's why I kind of caught the the end of the sanding pad, and it soon sliced it off, and that one was toast. So that one's now in the bin. So now I flipped it around and back to the full-size finisher, and now just with the mid-size rougher, just squaring up the edges really, and getting a nice flat piece there for the time being anyway. And here it is, the mid-size #1 hollower. Absolutely, the CI5 cutter on this mid-size hollower didn't make much effort, to be fair, to get through this wood. So just working the middle of the way there, getting it to the depth I want. And on this piece, unlike the piece that I did last week, I'm not going to be joining the funnel club. And back to the full-size finish here, just making some little finishing cuts. And as you can see, look at those shavings, they're just absolutely whipping around the workshop. This, even though it's a square piece, this literally did max out the swing on my Coronet Regent. I literally had about 10 millimeters, maybe 15. And back to sanding again, same thing, 80 to 400, and a lot of this this sanding was done off camera because I literally stopped the lathe, sanded some of it by hand, sanded some of it with the drill as well. And now, as I said, I'm not using Yorkshire grit, so I am going to apply a finishing wax on this, and again it's the Howard's Feed and Wax. This is my go-to wax. I like the smell, I like the application. Lather it on, leave it for an hour or so, come back, wipe off the excess and flip it round. And I did put 1, 2, 3 applications. I do have another one to put on, so I see it's drying out in certain areas, but I will put another couple of applications on this before it goes to the person it's intended for. So hope you like this one. If you do, give it a thumbs up, much appreciated. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.